I just bought this thing and I've used probably about like 6,000. I'm not gonna shoot it in here because it does shoot 450 feet per second. You can see it kind of just rips through this entire can here. I'm emptying one of these mags in little to no time at all. This changes between safe, semi, and full auto. It is actually a full metal gearbox in here and everything. Now the mag itself holds 130, 135 BBs. It takes me about like 10 seconds to fill this mag. Loading the BBs into the mag, there's just this little pouch thing that you just open, this little like hatch. Just pop it in there, you're good. Nunchuck style batteries kind of has these two little clips here, so one here and then one here. I had no problems with these at all charging wise. It did last me quite a long time. I really like how the quality of this gun is.